Hey there, fellow patriots. Today we're diving into a topic that's close to our hearts, the United States Marine Corps, and why it's considered the best military branch. So grab your crayons, sit back, and let's explore why the Marines are renowned for their unwavering dedication and courage. First off, let's talk about their rigorous training. Marine recruits are known for their grueling boot camp experiences. This intensive training process not only physically prepares them, but also instills discipline and camaraderie within the ranks. They say once a Marine, always a Marine, and this ethos is ingrained in every member of this illustrious branch. The motto, Semper Fidelis, or always faithful, is not just a slogan, but a way of life for Marines. This unwavering loyalty to one another and to their mission is what sets us apart from other branches. Whether it's on land or at sea, in combat or during peacekeeping operations, you can always count on a Marine to carry out their duties with professionalism and honor. Now let's talk about the camaraderie among Marines. These brothers from another mother share an unbreakable bond that transcends time and space. Whether they serve together or not, once two Marines meet, they become instant friends, a testament to the strong sense of unity among members of this branch. Another factor that contributes to the Marines being the best military branch is their versatility in combat roles. From infantry to aviation to logistics and support units, there's a place for every Marine in the Corps, and they all play an essential role in achieving victory on the battlefield. Lastly, but certainly not leastly, let's talk about morale among Marines. It's consistently high. Well, kind of. Despite facing numerous challenges and sacrifices in service to their country, Marines maintain a positive morale because of their dedication to duty and commitment to each other. So there you have it, folks. The United States Marine Corps, an institution of strength, dedication, camaraderie, versatility, and high morale. All reasons why they're considered the best military branch in the world. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video and want more content like this one, don't forget that like button and subscribe for more insights into military life. Until next time, folks, stay safe and God bless America.